Hi children, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn lesson 4, subtraction up to 10. Yes, what is subtraction? Subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to remove. Subtraction means how many left after taking away. I'll show you some examples. See children, now I have 3 bananas. I'm going to take away 1 banana. See, now how many bananas are left with me? Can you tell how many are left with me? Yes, 1, 2. Okay, next example. Can you see the leaves? I have 8 leaves. Please count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many leaves? There are 8 leaves. Now I am going to take away 1 leaf and 2 leaves. I am going to take away 2 leaves. Now how many are left with me? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 6 leaves. Okay. See children, now I have 4 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to take away 2 crayons. Yes, now I have 1, 2 crayons. Okay. Now I have 2 balloons. Do you like balloons? Yes, I have 1, 2 balloons. Now I am going to take away 1 balloon. Now how many balloons are left with me? Yes, only 1. Yes, I had some lollipops. Please count it with me. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I ate 2 lollipops. I ate 2 lollipops. Now, how many are left with me? Can you tell how many are left with me? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, please look at the board. Can you see these pictures? Yes, here I have 4 apples. Please count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 apples. So, I am going to take away 2 apples. Yes. Take away 2 apples. Now, how many apples are left with me? Can you tell? Can anybody tell how many apples are with me? 1, 2. There are 2 apples. Now it's ice cream time. Let's count. Please look at the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ice creams. I am going to take away 3 ice creams. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I am going to take 3 ice creams. Okay. I gave 3 ice creams to my sister. Now, how many ice creams are left with me? Please count it with me. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ice creams left with me. Okay. Now, let's do some textbook works. Please look at the board. Yes. Count the object and write the answer. Here, can you see this flowers? Yes, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here, 5 flowers. Then, take away 2 flowers. Here, take away 2 flowers. Now, left 1, 2, 3. How many flowers are left? 3 flowers are left. Next example, can you see the leaves? Yes. Please count the leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 leaves. Take away 1, 2, 3. Write 3 this box. Take away 3 leaves. Then left. How many leaves are left? Please count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves are left. Next, example C. Count 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pencils. Take away 1 pencil. How many pencils take away? 1. So you should write 1 here. Then how many are left? 1, 2. 2 pencils. Okay. Next example. Taking away things from a collection is called subtraction. Here, this is a sign for subtraction. We call it as minus. We call it as minus. Okay? Yes. Please read this. Taking away things from collection is called subtraction. The sign for subtraction is minus. We read it as minus. Can you see the sign? We read it as minus. Okay. Subtraction by crossing out. Please count these cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cars. Take away 1 car. Take away 1 car. Then how many cars are left? Count it please. 1, 2, 3. 3 cars. Next one. Subtraction by counting. Here, can you see these pictures? How many balloons are there? There are 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons. Here, 1, 2, 1 is take away. Now, how many balloons are there? How many balloons are left? 1, 2. Next example, subtract by counting. Can you see a tree? Yes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 mangoes on a tree. Here, 3 mangoes fell down. 3 mangoes fell down. Now, how many are left on the tree? How many mangoes are left on the tree? Here, count this. How many mangoes left? Fell down? 1, 2, 3. Yes. How many are left? 1, 2, 3. So, we can read 6 minus 3 equals 3. Read it once again. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Here we can read 3 minus 1 equals 2. Okay. Next one. Please count these ships. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 4. There are 4 ships. Here 3 ships moved out. 3 ships moved out. Then how many ships are left? How many ships are left? 3 are moved. 3. Then how many are left? 1. Next picture, you please count the rats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 rats. Now, 2 rats went away. 2 rats went away. Then, how many rats are left? How many rats are left? Please count it. 1, 2, 3. So, we can read 4 minus, can you see the sign? 4 minus 3 equals 1. Here, 5 minus 2 equals 3. Are you clear? Yes. Next, subtract by crossing out. Please count the toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 toffees. You cross out 5 toffees. Cross out 5 toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? Only 1. So we can say 6 minus 5 equals 1. Next, count these pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pencils. 8 minus 6. You please cross out 6 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You cross out 6 pencils. Now how many pencils are left? Count it please. 1, 2. So we can say 8 minus 6 equals 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 leaves. There are 4 leaves. Here you cross out number 1. So 1 leaf you cross out. Now how many leaves are left? Count it please. 1, 2, 3. So we can say 4 minus 1 equals 3. Next example, please count these balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 balls. You please cross out 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross out 5 balls. Now, how many balls are left? Please count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we can say 9 minus 5 equals 4. Last example, tops. Please count these tops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 tops. So you take away 6. From there you please take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tops take away. Then how many are left? Please count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can read 10 minus 6 equals 4. Okay? Yes children, did you all understand? The rest we will take in the next class. Bye.